bruh. What the fuck you doing, bruh? After 98 failed experiments, I give you the government juice. One sip and you become the government. You become just like the government. Damn, bruh, just can I drink it, bruh? Now, if you drink this cup of government juice, you will become just like the government. You cannot hear what the common men are saying, but you can hear each and every single word that comes out from the mouth of a rich and powerful man. So, bruh, he took it, bruh. There you have it, my invention, the government juice. It is very dangerous and I prefer you not to drink it. Bruh, that boy took it, bruh. Oh boy. That boy drinking it, bruh. What gonna happen to him, bruh? Like, I'm concerned, bruh. What if bruh die, bruh? Look at homie drinking, bruh. I think it just affected him, bruh. If the bruh died, bruh, I'm calling the police on you, bruh. Like, I don't trust your juice and shit, bruh. Hey! Can you hear me? Let me try something. I show your mom's ass. See? He cannot hear. We common man.
You, bro, if the bro died, bro.
If you have any rich friend, rich and powerful friend, just
call
call
my rich
him
friend,
and
bro.
let him talk to him. And if that shit work, then I know that my invention work.
Yeah, I got some rich friend, bro. I'ma call him. Hey, yo, homie, bro. Like, can you pull up to 35th Street, bro? I got a deal for you, bro. $3.5 million, bro. Alright, be here real quick, bro. I'll be waiting for you. Hey, shit, bro. I gotta mention about the money, bro, cause bro don't pull up without no money, bro. Bro only pull up the business deal, bro. Damn, bro, I'm concerned, bro.